Okay friends, to get started on our oil fill tube, we're going to come right over here. I'm going to grab onto this with some pliers and I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. There we go. These can be a little tight and hard to break free, but once you do, just turn it counterclockwise until it unscrews and then remove it from the valve cover. Once you have it removed, let's go ahead and get this oil cap off of here. Inspect it, make sure it's in good condition. Now it's going to be time for our install. One thing that I wanted to note is this little tab right along here. That's going to be the locking tab that's going to hold this to the valve cover. Just going to come right up to the valve cover with it, start it into the hole, and then we're going to turn this clockwise until it latches in. There we go. That just locked right in. Let's grab our oil cap, snug it up. Perfect.